Hey everyone, welcome back. Imagine this. You're working on a production Delta Lake table. You run a delete command and boom, all your data is gone. Now here's the question. What if I told you Delta Lake can actually undo that? Today, we're diving into one of the coolest features in Delta Lake, time travel. And we'll also cover how to keep your tables fast and efficient using Optimize, Z-order indexing, and vacuum. If you're building on Databricks or working with the Lakehouse architecture, this is something you must know. Let's get into it. What is time travel? So, what exactly is time travel? Every time you make a change to a Delta table, an insert, an update, or a delete, Delta Lake automatically saves that change as a new version. Think of it like Git for your data. This means you get a complete history of everything that has ever happened to your table. View table. History. To see this history, you just run. Describe history product underscore info. Delta Lake will show you the operation, the timestamp, and the version number, all in reverse chronological order. For example, version 0, table created, version 1 and 2, insert operations, version 3, update operation. Each version is basically a snapshot in time. Pretty powerful, right? Query past versions. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. You can actually query older versions of your table without touching the current data. There are two ways to do this. First, by timestamp. Select asterisk from product underscore info. Timestamp as of January 15th, 2024. Second, by version number. Select asterisk from product underscore info version as of 2. Or even shorter, select asterisk from product underscore info at V2. Now imagine someone asks you, what did this table look like last week? You can answer that in seconds, and the best part? It's completely non-destructive. Roll back, real power. Now let's talk about where time travel really saves you. Imagine this situation. Someone accidentally runs, delete from product underscore info. All your data, gone. Now you're in panic mode. But with Delta Lake, you just run. Restore table product underscore info to version as of 3. And just like that, your data is back. Delta Lake restores the files, creates a new version, and your table is whole again. You can also restore using a timestamp. Restore table product underscore info to timestamp as of January 15th, 2024, 10 o'clock. This is a lifesaver in real-world scenarios. Accidental deletes, bad writes, unexpected changes. Time travel handles all of it. Performance problem. All right. Now, let's shift gears. Over time, as you keep writing data, your Delta table accumulates many small files. And small files mean slow queries. This is a classic data lake problem. Optimize Delta Lake solves this with the Optimize command. Optimize product underscore info. This combines many small files into fewer, larger files, which means less overhead and faster queries. Z-order indexing, now here's a powerful upgrade. Z-order indexing. Optimize product underscore info, Z-order by product underscore ID. Z-order reorganizes your data so that related values are stored together. For example, IDs 1 to 50 go into one file. 51 to 100 go into another. Now imagine a query. Product underscore ID equals 25 Delta Lake will only scan one file. It skips the rest. This is called data skipping, and it can dramatically improve performance on large data sets. Vacuum, now here's something most beginners miss. After Optimize runs, the old files are still there. They're just marked as unused. That's where vacuum comes in. Vacuum product underscore info. Vacuum permanently deletes those unused files. This saves storage and reduces cost. But here's the important trade-off. Once vacuum deletes old files, you lose the ability to time travel to those versions. By default, Delta Lake keeps files for 7 days. This is a safety net. So always think carefully before changing this setting. In most cases, the default is the best choice. Quick recap. Let's quickly recap. Delta Lake's combination of time travel and performance optimization is what makes the Lakehouse architecture so powerful. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Delta Lake deep dives. And let me know in the comments. Do you want a video on Delta Lake streaming or merge operations next? See you in the next one.